Craving comfort food but cooking for two? This Italian spaghetti pie with chicken ricotta cheese meatballs is perfectly portioned for two. In a large bowl, we're going to combine onion, garlic, oregano, ground chicken, breadcrumbs, ricotta, parmesan, egg, parsley, and some salt and a good grind of black pepper. We're going to mix thoroughly with your hands until the meat mixture is well combined and has become tacky. When forming the meatballs, keep a small bowl of water nearby and wet your palms periodically to keep the meat from sticking to your hands. You'll make about 15 meatballs. You can freeze the ones that you don't want to use tonight. After cooking the pasta, toss it with an egg, butter, and some Parmesan and give it a good swirl. This will make your crust. Now layer on a ricotta mixture that has been mixed together with basil pesto. Spread it evenly across the crust. I like to make a 10-minute no-fuss sauce, but you can always grab a jar of your favorite marinara. You're going to put that over the cheese layer. Next up are the chicken ricotta meatballs. You're probably going to use about 6, and then what I would recommend is go ahead and freeze the other ones, even uncooked. They're going to be fantastic to have later in the week as a whole nother meal. Put some more of that yummy tomato sauce across the top of each of the meatballs so that they're completely covered. You're going to bake this pie at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. Then you're going to sprinkle some fontina cheese on top and bake for an additional 5 minutes. Let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. There you go, a comfort meal that's so good. You can get the full recipe on ourtablefor2.com. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks.